Woke up to the sound of waves. No rush, just the rhythm that the morning gave. I used to run from silence. Now it feels like a song with perfect timing. Coffee in my hand, sun in my face, feeling the magic in the slowest pace. I've been broken, I've been burned, but every scar is a page and I've learned joy don't always shout out loud. Sometimes it's hiding in a cloud, but I see it now, I feel it breathe. In every moment I choose to believe. Light finds a way, even through the rain. Even when the colors fade, love remains. It's not just the highs that make us whole. Sometimes healing sings real low. I'm dancing with my shadows in the sun, learning not to fear where I come from. And maybe I don't know what's next today, but light, oh light finds a way. Used to think I had to chase every dream before it slipped away, but now I let them come to me like waves returning calmly to the sea. People come and people go, some just stay to help you grow. Even heartbreak brought me here to a softer strength, a voice so clear